Do I do it? I think I have to do it. I'm going to wear my sister's Christmas present while I film because I feel kind of like naked. I'm wearing a workout set from Set Active. I just got this today from Revolve and she is cute, but I'm a little bit like cold right now. It's like chilly in Maryland, so I'm gonna put on my sister's Christmas present. Shh, hopefully she doesn't mind. We're sitting on the floor of my parents' room right now, wrapping presents for my beloved family. I have quite a few boxes that have just been sitting in a stack in my room that I finally am getting around to wrapping. And of course, being me, I have to wrap them in my own special way. So I'm using this brown Kraft paper. It's Kraft with a K. It's recyclable brown paper, so it's not harmful to the environment. You can recycle this easily, and not all wrapping paper is recyclable, FYI. And so I'm not perfect, but I'm trying to get closer to being a bit more eco-friendly with what I do. So we're using this brown Kraft paper, and then I'm going to embellish it with my hand lettering and different things for each of my family members. I have some black markers here, so I'm going to write on each of the gifts. It's gonna be really fun. So I first want to show you guys what I got for each of my family members. And I just realized I didn't bring, oh yeah I did, I brought a scissor. Does anyone else have a hard time with what these are called? I always call it like a scissor, but it's clearly like scissors, it's plural. There's like, who decided that scissors are a plural? Yeah, I always end up calling it a scissor. So my goal was to shop as small as possible this year. Small meaning small businesses. So I got a bunch of things from Etsy. I got this from Mayfair for my sister. So Mayfair is a smaller company. The first thing is going to make you laugh. If it doesn't make you laugh, you don't have a good sense of humor. And I'm sorry for you. So the first thing I got is for my dad, and it is a captain's hat. So my family has a boat, and my dad, we of course, he's the captain of the boat. My mom is first mate. You know how it goes. I'm not even on the roster because I don't know what to do when on a boat, really. So I thought that I would get my dad a captain's hat. It just makes sense, you know? He doesn't have one of these, and I'm actually surprised he doesn't. It's definitely more of like a gag gift. Like, he won't seriously wear this, I don't think. I think he'll wear it maybe like for fun and like keep it on the boat when his friends are there and whatnot. He has a few drinks in him or something, but I still think it's really cute. So I got this. This was hand embroidered and made, I guess, somehow via Etsy. Okay, so the next thing I got from my dad, I'm only gonna show you one of them since they are so nicely packaged. So again, this is from an Etsy seller. We're definitely going in a nautical direction here with my dad's gift. I got a set of 4 whiskey glasses with this really old school looking like ship. So I mentioned this on the podcast. So if you're a podcast listener, you've heard this already, but my parents are really obsessed with this YouTube channel called SV Delos. It's Sailing Vessel Delos. It's basically a vlog series of this couple that sails around the world and like lives on a sailboat and brings on like their relatives and their friends, and like they basically sail the 7 seas. And they post vlogs from all of their trips, and I don't know if it's a daily vlog. I don't think it's a daily vlog, but they post a lot of vlogs, and they've been doing it for like 11 years or something. So I got them a SV Delos merch mug, and it's actually a pretty decent sized mug. Like, look how big this mug is compared to my face. So it says, "Let the sea set you free." I know my mom and my dad are both going to love this, so this is a part of the gift as well. So my mom's gift, I'm being very quiet because she was right outside. I got, I got her 2 little rings from Pandora, which I actually left in my room. I'm gonna have to go get those. But what is in here is a pair of diamond earrings from my dad, my sister, and me. So that's what we got for her. So last but not least, for my sister, I got her this sweatshirt from Mayfair. Obviously, here it is again. It just says empathy, really nice and big. And then on the sleeve, it says always. So it's really cute. She loves like big sweatshirts like this, so she's going to love this. So I'm gonna wrap this, and then I got her 2 other things. I got her this that I actually saw in an Instagram ad. I totally fell for an Instagram ad. Has anyone else ever just like totally fallen for it and been like, I know this targeted me and I'm like okay with it because I actually like this. Song gift, the song gift. So I'm being careful not to scratch it, but it looks like this. It's an acrylic, like, I don't know what you would call this. It's definitely like a decor piece that you'd put like on your desk or just like propped on your dresser or something. You could pick any song and they print out like the music player view of it. So of course I picked Harry Styles. She loves Harry Styles and Fine Line, this song specifically. She has a tattoo from this song like that I wrote in my handwriting on her ribcage. So I thought it'd be very special. I got this for her as well. So last but not least, for my sister, she actually requested this. She wanted a brush set because she hasn't bought new makeup brushes in a while, which honestly, I probably need a new brush set as well. Okay, so this is the brush set that I got her. I don't want to take it out of this nice packaging, but it is the Morphe brush set. She loves the Morphe palettes. She like loves the makeup YouTubers and all that. So I thought it would work nicely. It's the Vacay Mode 12-piece brush collection plus case, which is just a really nice deal. You get the powder brush, the blush brush, like all the different brushes. So we got all the brushes that she could ever need in here. So that is what I got for my family for Christmas. I am now going to wrap them all and show you guys my process for wrapping. The most satisfying thing ever. Okay. Oh. Struggle city over here. Okay. Voila, we have the first package done. This is for my sister. I'm gonna forget whose is whose, so I'm literally ripping off a sheet of paper and writing my sister's name on it so I know it's hers. Up to personalize these a bit, I'm going to use some markers. These are my favorites, just a Sharpie or the Pentel sign pen, and I'm really just gonna have fun with it. I'm not really sure what I'll end up writing on each of the packages, probably song lyrics or just like fun little holiday words, I don't know. Where do you think they should go? You already have a bunch under there. Maybe like over there. Hey, look cute.